Turning to COVID-19 now, and for the first time in more than 2 months, new daily COVID cases in Illinois topped 4,000. Cases are also rising in Chicago, but they're milder and far less deadly than at any stretch of the pandemic. CBS News' Chris Ty is looking at the numbers where in our area cases are highest and what it means for your family.
That's right, guys. The states around Illinois are seeing cases soar. Wisconsin, Michigan, Indiana. But in Illinois, Lake County and DuPage County are the stories here. Let's start out in the western suburbs. DuPage County cases are up 111% over the last 2 weeks. But here's the real story. Over that same stretch, hospitalizations, cases that are the worst, are down 1%. Out in DuPage County, vaccination rate 77%. Take a look up here in Lake County near the Wisconsin border. Similar story in cases, up 98% over the last 2 weeks. But here, hospitalizations are up 28%. Vaccination rate in Lake County is 78%. The city of Chicago has a similar but slightly different story to tell. Cases in the city are up 25% over the last week, 625 a day. Hospitalizations very low, 12 per day. Deaths, Dr. already says they are the lowest on record during the pandemic. And there are two national stories that really we need to pass along to you. Number one, take a look up here in the northeast part of the country, Vermont, New Hampshire. They have seen actually hospitalizations jump 60% in 2 weeks. So that's the part of the country we don't want to replicate. And when it comes to the total number of Americans who've actually tested positive for coronavirus, the CDC says that number now stands at 6 out of 10 Americans. A lot of data, but a lot of moving parts and a lot of a good story to tell. We'll keep on top of it. Back to you.
Thank you, Chris. And DuPage County health officials tell us these spikes are not unexpected due to the decreases in some of the mitigation and prevention strategies rolled out in DuPage County and nationwide.